how to join a clan in Pet Simulator 99. Now, the easiest method that we can try to do is by joining a Discord channel or a Pet Simulator 99 community. Now, to do that, all you have to do is go to your web browser and then you have to search for Pet Simulator 99 Discord. Now, once you're here, you'll just have to choose on a link that you want. Let's say, for example, you'll choose on the first one. If you click on this, you will automatically be sent an invite to your Discord account. Now, it should look something like this. So you can go ahead and check for server status, important, trading, general. For joining a clan, you can go ahead to general. You can either post a message on Pet Simulator discussions and you want to join a clan, you can also go ahead to clan advertising. There will be posters here if certain players looking for a clan members. So you'll just have to take a look on what specific clan you would like to join. You can send a private message to the person that is recruiting. So that's how easy you can join a clan on Pet Simulator 99.